Hey, East Menlo Park homeowners, I'm Graeham Watts, and this is your market update. If you want to stay on top of the latest news and trends, just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Just like that. So first thing, let's take a look at this first chart here. As you can see, the sales price overall fairly flat. There's been some ups and some downs, and you can even see some gaps in the data. And I think I mentioned this before, but just in case you haven't seen one of my videos before, which I don't know why you haven't unless you've been living under a rock.
Good morning.
Sometimes there aren't enough sales and data in such a small geographic area for the MLS to put together the data, and that's why there's the gaps. But let's move on to the next chart here. Now this is a great indication about what's going on in the market right now. This is your list to sales price ratio. As you can see, homes right here are selling well over asking price at about 125% over asking. That's a bit of an upswing right now, so now's a great time to take advantage. If you're thinking about making a move, just go ahead and pick up that phone, give me a ring. Let's check out those days to sell. As you can see right now, homes are selling, generally speaking, well under 30 days. That means if you have a nice, well-priced home, you're gonna sell it pretty quick. So if you're thinking about making a move, give me a call before you blast off. What? What? I don't understand. I don't like heights. Oh, I hate heights.